Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week is the week of March 22nd through the 28th. I'm using this kit that was so kindly gifted to me from Sage. Um, I am so happy. I love this kit so much. Um, this is from Caress Press. It was one of her mysteries that I completely missed out on. And then when I saw it, it was already out of stock online. So she had it and she gifted it to me the last time we met up. I love this kit so much. I just love the colors. I love like navy blues in kits and the yellow and the little pops of green, like my three favorite colors in any type of kit. She also gifted me these underlays, and I believe they came with overlays. I didn't use them too much. I just used them in the sidebar. But these are from Bun Bun Paper Co. I personally have never shopped from her shop, but I like everything on there. I really want to. I just haven't come around to like make any purchases. I really haven't been making many purchases in general of stickers until actually just yesterday. I placed so many orders because I just was like, you know what, I don't know, I needed to, and I haven't been planning in a very long time, almost a month and a half since I've done any sort of like planning. So I just really have been in a funk because I haven't been purchasing. It really hasn't seemed super fun, and that's why I haven't been like editing videos either. But I'm like excited to just get back into it. Finally figuring everything out with being here and just my job in general. Still have yet to find a house for us to move into. So we're just kind of chilling right now, waiting things out. Just because everything's so expensive here in California right now, and they're going so fast. Like all the houses we look at, the next day they're gone. So we can't even like attempt to put in an application or anything to rent out a house. So that's a little background on what's going on in my life right now. But I'm just finishing up here with putting down the base, and then I'm going to get into the day by day. I did use a couple, I think just one extender, and then all this, I did a mixture of scripts that I made myself and then from my collection as well. And obviously, if you can't tell, this is the hollow, I'm using hollow foil. So let's go ahead and get into the day by day. First thing I want to mark on Monday is that I woke up pretty early this morning. The Wake Up Early script is from Kinsey's Creations, and I use an munch. I get these mixed up all the time. I used a munchkin to mark that, and another munchkin underneath that to mark that I made my doTERRA order. I placed an order yesterday with Once More with Love and the Coffee Monsters Co. I'm so excited for those orders to come in. I have not placed an order with them in almost a year. Um, like to the date. I looked at my past history and I was like, oh my gosh, it's been so long since I bought any sort of like character stickers from them. So I'm so excited to get some new character stickers to use throughout my plan with me's. Another thing, I'm going like completely off track right now. One thing I wanted to say, because this has been like really hard for me, and I'm just like, you know what? I just need to do what makes me happy at this moment. I don't have a filming set up, and I will not have one probably while I'm here at my dad's house. And I just really want to plan. So I think what I'm going to do is just plan on my own for the next however long I don't have a planning set up, just to just because I want to. And that means I won't have any new plan with me's up. I, of course, will post them on Instagram. Maybe I'll do like flip throughs on Instagram, but once I have a filming set up, I will probably just do a flip through of all the spreads I planned off camera. I don't know. I feel like it's like not bringing me joy, like not planning, if you know what I mean. Like I just want to do it, and I shouldn't be like holding myself back because I don't have a filming setup. So that's the plan right now. That's completely like off subject with what what I'm planning right now, what I should be talking about. But I just wanted to let you guys know that that all these Plan With Me's that will be uploaded are going to be super old, but they're just ones I've had filmed, and I spent a lot of time getting these filmed before moving. So I just want to go ahead and edit them and get them up eventually. Like I know I am not the most consistent planner on YouTube. Um, But that's what the plan is going to be for right now. So I should be more active on Instagram soon-ish, just because I will be planning on my own and I will have things to post. So that's what I wanted to let you guys know. Let's go ahead and get back into the day by day. I'm like really behind now, but the last on the another thing I marked on Monday was that it was the last day of camp. We had spring camp, um, and it ended on a Monday because they had like a teacher work day. So I used that script that I made myself in a Glam Planner Girl. I also called my dad this day, and I watched 90210. The 90210 script is from Kinsey's Creations and a Papershire Girl to mark that. I also had a foil and doTERRA delivery. I purchased all the foils, all like the basic foils, so I can start foiling my own scripts. And then I also had mimosas this day. I think I took the day off of work, so I just was like, you know what? I want to have a couple drinks, work on some stickers, and just do a bunch of other stuff. So, had mimosas. Also made some burgers for dinner this day. My burgers came out so good. Dean even said they were amazing. So I just get like the hamburger patties from Trader Joe's and just like season them myself and do like grilled onions. I have the In-N-Out sauce and just go like all out. So it came out really good. I also had to reach out to Michael's because I was having some delivery issues with my silhouette, I think. I can't remember why I was reaching out to them. And then I also went to bed pretty early this day. Moving on into Tuesday, I went to Black Rock Coffee. It's a chain coffee shop in Arizona and then a few other states. There's not one in California, but I've just been hearing so many people talk about it, and like a lot of influencers I follow in that live in Arizona always like talk about it too. So I want to give it a try. It was okay. It reminds me of a more how do I explain it? Like a more trendy Dutch Bros. I personally don't like Dutch Bros. I know Sage loves Dutch Bros, but I don't like when they're so like peppy, and I don't know. I'm just like a Debbie Downer apparently. So I don't like it because of that. Their coffee's okay, but I definitely prefer Pete's Coffee. I don't think there's one in Arizona. I know it's a chain in California, maybe a couple other states, but Pete's Coffee is my favorite coffee. But yeah, it was okay. Coffee, oh my gosh, I forgot my dog was over here. Coffee was pretty good. And they definitely like to talk to you a lot when you're picking up your coffee. So I've only went there a couple times. Um, Also made my hair appointment this day to go to, I think it's just called Habit, not The Habit. I'm pretty sure it's just Habit. It's the trendy hair salon that all the bachelorettes go to, and like the baseball wives and like a bunch of YouTubers go to. Um, I finally made my appointment because that was like on my bucket list to get my hair done over there in Arizona at this hair salon before leaving. So I really needed it. I needed a trim so bad, and I needed like a gloss because my ends they still have a little bit of the blonde in there when I used to be blonde, which is so weird. But I just needed like a gloss to kind of get that out of my hair. So I made my appointment this day. I also spent the day cleaning, and and then I was so irritated that I always, not always, but when I ask Dean to do the dishes, he'll do them and load the dishwasher, but the dishes in the dishwasher are already clean, and he just adds more dishes in there and pushes it to start. And I'm like, no. I've already washed them. I don't leave the dishwasher full of dirty dishes. Like I will start it. I don't. He's done that multiple times, and it bothers me every single time, and I tell him to stop doing that. But I was just really irritated to say that he did that again. Um so I marked that with the salty munchkin. um, After that, I made some DIY fabric softener with my doTERRA oils. It's just white vinegar and then like I want to say it's like 50 drops of like different types of oils. I love it. It makes my clothes smell so good, and it leaves like the oil smell on there, especially when I use like oils that are very like grounding and uplifting. You can smell it on your clothes, and it definitely, for me, helps me throughout the day. I also had a meeting this day, and I made chicken and risotto for dinner. Sorry, I'm like really behind. I know some people have comments that they hate that I get behind, or it just they don't like it. I completely understand because I'm the same way, but I'm not good with like keeping up with my video and doing my voiceover. So I'm really sorry if that really bothers you. I try my best. Okay, so Wednesday I marked that it was trash day. I also called Gabby and my dad, and then I watched Gossip Girl. And then later on the day on Wednesday, I played with my silhouette a little bit. The silhouette sticker is from Papershire. I was really annoyed. I think I was just annoyed with the silhouette. I don't think I was like annoyed at anyone. I'm pretty sure it's just my silhouette. I hated learning how to use silhouette. I still feel like I'm not the best. Joe from Ice Cream Joe was like giving me some tips when I met up with her. Um, It'll be in a few plan with me's, but I just am like, I don't understand it sometimes. And then I also just decluttered this day. Moving on into Thursday, I was super tired this day. I also had a crime binge and I printed out my first stickers. Oh, okay. So I think I was so annoyed with my printer this day. The paper I bought was not like the printer could not take it, like it would not grab it out of the thing, and it was so irritating. But it had worked when I bought like the sample paper. So I bought like a whole bunch of it and now it wasn't working. So I was so irritated with that. But finally figured it out, printed out my first stickers and cut it. Obviously was not the best, but it was my first round of doing it. And then we also DoorDash Rostini's pizza for dinner this day. Moving on into Friday, went to Dunkin' Donuts. I also went to Safeway and did a little bit of a grocery run. Had a super lazy day at home, and I would just could not stop eating. This day, I was just snacking all day. Um, I mean, I'm pretty sure I know why. Because later on that day, I was just super bloated from just just eating so much and just other things. So, um, I marked that. Both of those scripts are from I made those scripts myself and I used Munchkins to mark both of those. Moving on to Saturday, finally catching up a little bit. Started my morning with making some iced coffee. Had a meeting early that morning. The coffee sticker is from Paper and Milk, and then I use a laptop sticker from Papershire. And then I also did some more laundry this day. I cooked dinner. I made some risotto and lobster. It came out so good. Dean is not a big fan of like seafood, which is like so weird to me. I know a lot of people. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. My dog's like moving around. I know a lot of people don't like seafood. I personally love seafood, so I thought it was great. But I don't think he was like a huge fan of it. I also, oh wait, what am I marking? Oh, I think, oh yeah, so I'm moving things around because I'm like, this is not what my planner ends up looking or my spread looks like after this. I had to fit a couple more things in here, so I had to pull up some stickers. So I'm doing some like reorganization on here. But I marked that I did cook risotto and lobster, like I said. I also bought all the stickers this day. I don't know what stickers because I was really on a no spend, so I probably did not buy a whole lot of stickers, but I used a pumpkin paper Coke Girl to mark that and the buy all stickers from Kinsey's Creations. And then I put in the movie marquee because that's what I forgot. So I had to put in some like smaller labels to fit everything. But the movie marquee is to mark that we watched Civil War. Moving on into Sunday, I'm going to go ahead and just start now because I'll probably get behind. I did some laundry this day. The clothesline sticker is, I never use it, but it's super cute. I don't know why I don't use it very often. I think those are the only stickers I have left on that Once More with Love sheet because I've used all the other like laundry stickers. But I use that to mark laundry. Also had my morning coffee this day. I love that Fox and Pip girl there. And then the morning coffee script is a script that I have made. I think I'm just going to wait a minute or a couple seconds to try and catch up. Yeah. I should have edited this a little bit better because there's like a long pause. Okay, I also had an oil session this day. It was really nice because I woke up quite early before getting ready for work. So I had my coffee and was just like sitting down reading my oil book that I read every so often, just to get more like I don't know, just be more educated on the oils I'm using and why I should be using certain types of oils if I'm feeling a certain type of way to just help me throughout the day. So I was reading that. I also made some brunch this day and I played with some stickers. I think I was just like organizing, and then I filmed. I probably filmed a haul this day because I usually will organize stickers after filming a haul. I feel like that's the only time I'll organize stickers. Um, so that film script is from Kinsey's Creations along with the Play with Stickers script, and then the filming icon is from SPC. So that is going to complete this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will try and get this video uploaded as soon as possible, but like I've said many, many times before, the upload speed here is not the fastest, so it may take, I mean, it's going to take over 24 hours to get this video finally uploaded. But I'm glad I got this voiceover done, and so I will have something to like post for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Again, thanks Sage so much for this kit from Crest Press. I really love it. I think it's the February mystery, maybe March. No, it couldn't be March because this is in March. So, oh wait, no, because she gave it to me later though. I don't know. I will try and figure it out. I will ask her. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos and plan with me's that I will have uploaded here soon. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Erica Marie Plans. I will have it linked down below along with the shop. And then anything else that I forgot to mention will be on my Instagram. All right, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.